I built a smart control panel design using 3 pieces of 3-pole contactors. Each of them controls a 3-phase motor machine. This machine control panel can control 3 motors at the same time. It has a start button and a stop button. The start button is the green push button, whereas the red push button is the stop button. Inside the panel box is the devices or components we used to design the 3-phase control system. For this one, we used this under voltage and over voltage cutoff device. You can select at what window voltage levels you want the device to operate on. We also have a timer device incorporated inside so that it could help avoid the control panel from being damaged by transient voltage surges. You could also set what time you want the timer to wait before allowing the input voltage supply. And lastly, we have a main breaker that works for the 3-phase voltage levels, and this would come in handy when we need it. Each of the phases on the contactors have their own separate voltage and current indicator to show what voltage that phase is carrying and what current the load on it is consuming. And we also added 2 pilot lamps to show when the control panel is operating, that is turned on, and when it is turned off. And that is just that. Another example of such control panel is a smaller version of it, as shown here. That is already deployed and is in operation. As seen, this panel is controlling the 3-phase motor system that is running this palm kernel oil extractor. Once turned on, the machine drives this whole setup to achieve this sole purpose. And this is used in products like cosmetics and other things.